Hello everybody, today's a special day because it's my sister's birthday, Nina, and we're doing our happy cake. We're gonna start saying the ingredients. Nina? We have almond flour with coconut sugar, and we have some natural eggs. Remember, the eggs have to be natural and from a happy chicken, because then if it's not from a happy chicken and it's not natural, it can taste weird and it's not healthy. And the name of the happy eggs are the pastured eggs. And we have vanilla extra. You're also gonna need a cup of fresh water and boiling water. Make sure the water is filtered, and here we have some ghee. I'm gonna give the ghee to Nina, and Nina paint the tray. Yeah. This is important because then the cake doesn't get stuck to the tray. We're gonna put 3 spoons of ghee in the water so it produces a type of oil. I need more ghee. Dad, I need more ghee, please. 1. 2. 1 more. Now we're gonna mix the ghee in the boiling water. Mix it, mix it, mix it. I'm gonna wash my hands because I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the tray. Yeah. Make sure you really mix it so it goes top to bottom. It doesn't have to, but it has to be. So I'm done mixing. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of powder on the tray because I'm done washing my hands. So let's grab and spoon. While Nina's doing that, I'm gonna crack 3 eggs and leave 3 eggs for Nina. Okay, I just have to do this. Last one. Wow, that was weird. With the eggshell, you put it in your plants because it's very healthy for you, for the plants. Now it's my turn to get the eggs inside. Let's see how this cake is gonna be. Oh, 3. Oh, 4. Now we're gonna connect the mixer. And I will wash my hands. Make sure it's locked. Oh my, it's so slippery. We're gonna mix it for 2 or 3 minutes. But if you're less than 6 or 5, ask an adult to help you. Now Nina's gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna slowly put the ghee and the hot water inside. Slowly. Now I'm slowly gonna add the almond powder. You can mix me. panda birthday, so I'm gonna show you the decorations also. When the mix is even, which you're not gonna see this little bubbles and like those, I'm gonna ask Nina to put some vanilla extra. Nina, can you add some vanilla extract? Of course. Not so much, okay? Okay. Now, we had to do this very carefully. I'm gonna go get a spatula to get everything out. This looks brown and yummy. Okay, now we're gonna take this out. We're gonna put this in there. This is yummy. And now we're gonna put it in. Wait. Oh, yes. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Okay, you grab it fuerte. I just had to do it. Okay, put it in. This is gonna be a beautiful panda cake. This is so heavy. Remember to heat up the oven at 370 degrees. I'm gonna try. We're ready to take this to the oven. You could open the oven for me, please? Okay, you have to be very careful and ask an adult to do this one. ¿Me ayudas un poco? That's so hot! I was almost una papa frita. I'll see you in 30 minutes. So, we just took the cake out of the oven, and everything is made with organic. We have organic sprinkles and organic blueberries, and we have this because I'm turning 6 with that, and the part of now. This is a panda, and this guy's seeing the stars. And this guy also, and this too, he's knocking the door. And this is doing kambari. I don't even know body. I said it kamboos. And now this looks yummy. You should try it. Remember to subscribe.